Welcome students to your FTCC orientation. My name is Stephanie, and today I'll be walking you through how to find your student ID and username. Before we get started, I encourage you to grab a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil and make sure you have your social security number handy. We'll be making a few passwords, so you will want to jot those down for future use. To first get started, please go to FTCC's main homepage at www.faytechcc.edu. From here, we're going to go to I'm looking for and select Current Student Resources. Since your student ID and username are found in WebAdvisor, we'll scroll down and click on WebAdvisor. As a curriculum student, you'll click Curriculum Students. Once on this page, please go to the bottom right and click on Students menu. Where you will be taken to Where's My User ID. Please click on this and populate the fields. Please type in your last name and your social security number, then click Submit. Here is your user ID. Please take note of this because you're going to need this information for all future logins. From this screen here, you can find your full student ID by simply clicking the back left arrow button. Here at the bottom is where the FTCC DataTel ID, aka your student ID, populates. Go ahead and write down this full number here because you'll need this also for later use. Now that you have your student ID and login information, let's go back to FTCC's main webpage at www.faytechcc.edu. And now I'll walk you through how to log into your student email. Once back on the main webpage, go to I'm looking for and click on Current Student Resources. Scroll down to Student Email and click on that, and then go and click Log into Student Email. Enter in your username in the first box in front of @student.faytechcc.edu. Your username will always be the first 7 letters of your last name, the first letter of your first name, and the last 4 digits of the student ID number. Click Next and then enter your password, which will be your 8-digit birthday. For example, if your birthday is December 24th, 1960, your password will be 12/24/1960. If this is your first time logging into your student email, you will see a welcome page where you will have to click I accept to continue. Then you'll be prompted to reset your password. After you reset your password, you'll be taken to your email account and a screen like this will appear. It's really important that students check your email every single day. This is where FTCC communicates with you as a student, anything from registration to your faculty or instructors contacting you, as well as financial